Hey everyone, today we're back with another video of your Huawei M-Pencil Generation 3 and charging with your MatePad Pro or MatePad Air. Now, if you notice that you can stick on your M-Pencil, it magnetically connects and then it has shows the percentage of the pencil, but after a few minutes, it doesn't charge. This could be the problem. And this was the problem of my pencil and MatePad, was that I purchased a non-Huawei brand protective case, and I noticed that it would show the percentage, but as soon as I took it off, then it would start charging. So yeah, go ahead and try that out. By the way, I'm in the accessibility features, and then if you go to Stylus, you will see the percentage right there. And then you should notice that now it will start charging. And it will turn green just to show that, can you guys see? Just to show that it is now charging, whereas before it wasn't. One other little tip is if your MatePad is low on battery, then you might want to go ahead and charge and go ahead and put in the charging so that there's enough energy. I mean, I have plenty, I have 73. So as you can see, while I was talking, it already went to 40%, and now it's at 41%. So yeah, that could have been the problem all along, was just a non-Huawei case. So go ahead and try that at home and see if it works. I hope it does, and please like or comment below. Thank you.